I will start to talk about our problem, which we had with the bone density. People concerned with density have nowhere to go in this country right now. There is no cure for osteoporosis. We have a product. The name of the natural extract from the leaf of the olive tree is called Oleuropein. That's the primary substance in our formula. And what it does, it actually creates the movement of the bone remodeling. By the way, bone remodeling is nothing more than repair of the bone. Anywhere where there's old bone, diseased bone, the sympathetic nervous system ignites a signal, and in goes the bone class, the osteoclast, to remove that bone to make room for the new bone during the remodeling. And this is what Oleuropein does. Oleuropein helps out very little, I don't want to express it, very little help with the osteoclast, but the main thing is the increase of the osteoblast forming. So Oleuropein is what we call the generator of the system. It starts the system. For instance, if you have a car and your alternator's not working, the battery doesn't get charged. So right here, if the modeling system's not working, the bone doesn't get sent. And that's what happened. The ingredients do not produce bone. It is produced by the remodeling, which is nothing more than a repair. Even a little damage, a micro damage to a bone, can be repaired automatically by this system. Remodeling, taking care of the damaged bone, replacing with brand new bone. And this is what we do, and that's what happens. That's how, what I want to say, while I have the time, is people who have all kinds of metal in their system that is holding back some fractures or having implants put in a dental office, they should be concerned that because of Wolff's Law states that if there's any pressure put on the bone, that the remodeling condition will start. So by inflammation is the same as stress. So by the dental implants going into the system, they can create inflammation in a bone, and it'll be alerted so that the more dense can go around the implants, holding them in for a long period of time. So anybody that spends $20,000 for implants should be happy to make sure there's something that'll keep those implants with them forever. Thank you so much.